Hello my dear children. Today we can study associative property of addition and subtraction of integers. What is that? That is, we can add 3 plus 4 plus 2. First we can add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. The bracket was 4, 3 and 4. First, what is there in the bracket? That calculation we have to complete. That means board mass bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then last subtraction. So, here in the bracket, it is 3 plus 4. So, first we have to do 3 plus 4. That is 7. Then add what is there outside, that is plus 2. So here we have to add 2 with this 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Then in case of bracket, just I changed the bracket 4 and 2. I have given this bracket first 4 plus 2, that is 3 plus 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. First, we have to calculate what is there in the bracket. Okay. So, here 4 plus 2. Then 3 plus 6 equal to 9. So, we can make the group in case of addition in any way. That is, here 3 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2. All numbers are integers. Here we added integers, all positive integers. Okay. Now, we can add negative integers. That is, negative 1 plus negative 4 plus negative 3. 3 negative integers. First, we can give the bracket for negative 1 plus negative 4. So, we can do this part first. Negative 1 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 5. After that, we can write this negative 3 here itself. Then add this answer with the negative 3. Negative 5 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 8. So here negative 8 is the answer. The bracket was for our negative 1 plus negative 4. Next we can do negative 1 plus negative 4 plus negative 3. So just we can change that bracket to our negative 4 and negative 3. So that is equal to negative 1 is outside. Keep it there itself. Negative 1 plus negative 4 plus negative 3. So, negative 4 plus negative 3. That is negative 7. So, negative 1 plus negative 7. We are adding same sign. That is negative sign itself. So, we have to add these two numbers. 1 plus 7, 8. Then keep the negative symbol. So, in this case also we got the same answer itself. So, we can write negative 1 plus negative 4 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 1 plus negative 4 plus negative 3. Clear? So, we can say if A, B, C are any three integers, then A plus B bracket plus C is equal to A plus B plus C bracket. Just change the bracket. This will be equal to, okay, A plus C plus B. Anyway, we can add. Okay. Then that we can write it as B plus A plus C. in any way. We can add. We can give the bracket in any way. So that is the associative property. First, we have to do the calculation part. What is there in the bracket? Then do the calculation with the outside integer. In case of addition, associative property is satisfying. That is true. Now we can discuss about the subtraction. In case of addition, no problem. That is satisfying. Okay. Now we can check in subtraction. First, 7 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 is 0 will be. Another one. 4 we can give. Okay. What is the answer? First we have to do the calculation part in the bracket. Board mass. Bracket of board mass. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Last will be a subtraction. Now only subtraction is going on here. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then out of this bracket, negative 4, that is minus 4 is there. Answer is positive 1. Now we can change the bracket, that is 7 minus 2 minus 4. First we have to do the calculation part in the bracket, that is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, here greatest number is 4. 2 is smaller than 4. So we have to subtract, we have to take away 2 from this 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, then the sign is negative because 4 is negative. Okay, so negative and negative nearest, okay, then that will be positive. Actually what is happening? We have to add with the additive inverse of the second integer. Then 7 plus 2, 9. So what is there in the LHS part? Here in the LHS side, that is a 7 minus 2 minus 4. Then in the RHS side, that is 7 minus 2 minus 4. This we know, here we got 1 and here we got 9. Okay. 1 not equal to 9. It is very clear 1 is not equal to 9. So we can say the LHS is not equal to RHS. What is LHS? Left side statement and RHS. Here equal to will be there. Here LHS side, that is left side. What is there in the LHS side, which statement is there? Then in RHS side also there will be another one statement. That is here the statement LHS side. LHS is 7 minus 2 minus 4. Then in case of RHS 7 minus 2 minus 4. Both answers are different. So now we can say associative property is not satisfying in case of subtraction. Associative property is not satisfying for subtraction. Clear? But addition is satisfying. We can add in any way. But for this addition, which number we have to take away, that we have to do in the order itself. Then only that will be same. Clear? I think you got the idea about the associative property of addition and subtraction of integers. In case of addition, that is satisfying. Order doesn't matter. We can give the bracket in any way. But in case of subtraction, that is not satisfying. In case of addition, satisfying. Subtraction, not satisfying our associative property. Clear? Thank you.